One of the quickest ways to improve the look of your home, increase its value, and modernize your property as a whole is to invest in new floors. That's something this Ontario homeowner was looking to do using one of our most popular flooring products from Fuzion Flooring. Our team of installation professionals were tasked with ripping up and cleaning out the first and second floor of this home. They would then go on to install this new gorgeous vinyl click flooring. The floors are from Fuzion Flooring's Dynamix XL3 DGE collection in the color called Amber Ale. These floors are extremely versatile and great in both commercial and residential settings. This homeowner uses them across the property in their bedrooms, hallways, living rooms, and more. The darker hue of these floors really brings the property to life. Our installation pros came with all the tools needed for the job and quickly got to work placing down the vinyl click when they arrived. Once the area for the floors was completely cleared, the vinyl click was measured and cut in a variety of different ways depending on where the floors were being placed. Alpha knives and miter saws were used after the measurements were taken in order to get the correct board length. Cuts around vents, doorways, and other objects were no obstacle for our guys who have years of experience beautifying homes in the area. The stairs also received new vinyl click boards, cut perfectly on the first try. With the floorboards laid down and the baseboard secured, this home looks better than ever. Flooring Liquidators is proud to say we only use high-quality, industry-grade materials when performing floor and stair installations, ensuring your product looks outstanding and stays that way. You can really see the difference the floors make for this home. For more information, visit our website, flooringliquidators.ca, or stop by one of our many showrooms located across Ontario.